Ashish, first of all, a warm welcome to GlitzVision USA. Thank you so much for doing this interaction. So tell me, Ashish, how have you been? Like, we know you are busy with the movie which you are doing and you have some web show, but people, they of course still miss you, from television. So tell me, what are you up to and what are you doing?
First of all, thank you so much for having me here. And like you said, just finished the shoot of my film Hindutva and just came back. And right now, we're all stuck at our homes. And that's how it looks. So future plans and everything, I think, are just on a hold as of now, because we do not know when the situation is going to be better or, safer outside to go and start shooting. But yeah, there are a couple of very, very interesting things lined up for this year. And I hope that things are safe and fine so that we can finish them within this year. But nonetheless, there are two films that are already finished and are in post-production. They're in their own editing right now, and we hope to get them out soon in this year.
Right. So, Ashish, tell me, you have done some amazing work in television industry, whether it was, Rang Rasiya or Siya Ke Ram or any other show for that matter. Is there any specific reason? Like I read somewhere that you said that because of the lack of good characters and opportunities, you're not, coming back to television. So is this the reason or there's something else?
No, majorly this is what it is, because like you said, I've done some tremendous and very, very exciting work in television. And I've been very happy, very content, very proud of the kind of stuff that I've got to do on television, because very rarely male actors especially get to do these things on television, and this kind of content they are offered, or even they're lucky enough to get it. So I think I was fortunate enough, first of all, to get these kind of stories to portray. And but I think every 9-10 years, every decade, television or every medium actually goes through a big overhaul, because a generation changes and the consumption of the content changes because of that generation change and change of perceptions and perspectives and point of views, and new techniques come in. So right now, I think that's happening with television. And with respect to that, I think right now there's nothing exciting happening for me there, and that's why I chose to. People usually, I'd like to differ on a point. People usually say that, oh, I'm now going to cinema or to web. That's better. I wouldn't categorize it that way, and I really strongly believe in that. That shouldn't categorize mediums like that. Nothing is big or small these days. Anyways, everybody's working everywhere and wherever they get good content. So I think right now for television, to stepping back from television, the reason is this, that there is. I don't have anything to do. There's nothing exciting which is offered or which is in the making also, which I can see, because everybody's a friend who's in television these days. All the makers are friends, and you kind of know what they're making or what's in the pipeline. And anyways, with this whole pandemic, everything is just topsy-turvy right now. So I think for another 2-3 years, I don't see anything exciting happening in television. But at the same time, there's a huge market has opened up all of a sudden, which is web market, and on OTT, there's all kind of work is happening. So majorly that, and I wanted to start. I wanted to move a bit. In totality, I wanted to move out. So, and what I mean by saying that is that I wanted to create content myself also. And so we are working on that also. A lot of things we are developing ourselves, and we want to create our own thing. So yeah, with respect to these two things, I've majorly moved out of television.
Right. But Ashish, do you miss those television days? I mean, playing that character, working 12 hours a day, having those shifts, and was it, a tough decision for you to, stay away from television unless and until you don't get the role? Because, television, of course, it has a lot of fame and, of course, a lot of money attached to it. So was it a tough decision, or it was something which was easy for you?
No, I mean, it wasn't tough. It wasn't easy. I think it just happened over a period of time, because slowly and gradually what I was seeing was that I could see that the content is getting, it was shrinking day by day. And I could see that, what kind of work, because at the end of the day, what works is what will be made. And what was working was not something I would want to be a part of, with
Right.
all due respect. So, and it wasn't, I wouldn't say it was tough or easy. It was just, I think it was meant to be. And I just reached a point where I was looking to just, it wasn't about moving out. It was about, I think, trying to increase my horizon, where I can expand myself, not just as an actor, but, as a writer, as a producer, as a creative maker. And I wanted to do that. So I think that was majorly the reason, not just that, I wasn't, getting things, or it was difficult for me to move. Like you said, there's a lot of money, there's a lot of, you do a lot of work, and work was also good. ऐसा नहीं है कि काम अच्छा नहीं था, काम भी बहुत अच्छा था. So, and rightly, I mean, if it would, because of television, I think I had this power to say no also, where very rightly put, that I was financially secure, and I was, like you said, that, I've gotten some body of work behind me which people can look to and I can rely on also. So yeah, I mean, I think whatever the reason behind it is television, of course, and I think, yeah, and only television has also empowered me to take this decision. I'd say that.
But can I ask, which character which you have played is still closest to your heart, and you really think that that character actually shaped you in being a good actor which you are right now?
Okay. Just to answer, which I've enjoyed the most, or still is real close to my heart, is Rang Rasiya Rudra. But I wouldn't say that it shaped me as an actor, because everything that you do really shapes you as an actor. And I have a very surprising answer to this also. I also loved Rab Se Sona Ishq Ka Ranveer, and people, usually do not talk about that much, because that show, and apparently that was the most, as per rating wise, whatever the television norms are, unke hisab se it was the highest rated show ever for the longest time. And people usually do not speak about it, because Rang Rasiya and everybody have been like flagship shows, of the channels. And that character Ranveer was also very, very close to me, because both the things is, I'm not like that at all, and I had to bring those and I am like that also in a lot of ways. So I had to, I think, bring in a lot of me, and then borrow a lot of things from other people for that. And I enjoyed them actually. It was fun to do those things, and till the time I played that, it was fun, real fun.
Right. Okay, then tell me something about the movie which you are shooting. We know, the name is Hindutva, but if anything more you can say about the film and what people can expect from that film.
Well, it's too early to say, but all I can share right now is that it is very, very relevant for today's times. There are a lot of narratives running, socio-political narratives that are running around us right now, and we need a balanced narrative which actually comes out and clears a lot of myths and a lot of misunderstandings, misconceptions around this whole concept of Hindutva. So, and at the heart of it is a very young love story, a story about friendships, two friends, a love story, and it has friendship, it has politics, it has deceit, it has betrayal. There's all kinds of things which are there, and it's told through. So it's a very young perspective on today's India, which we really need to see, and I think that's what the film is all about. Right. But it definitely is going to raise a lot of questions and then clear a lot of questions also at the same time.
But just the fact that your films, is going to raise a lot of question, and it also involves politics. Does it makes you nervous? Because today's time, there's a lot of judgment. There's a lot of trolling happens, especially on politics. So as an actor, as an individual, does it makes you nervous?
Not at all. I played Modi, as well, and then I'm doing this. So I know that I'm going to be branded in a certain way, and I know it for sure. Because if you look at the trajectory, and you play Ram, then you play Modi, and then you do this. So I know, I understand, where these questions will come from, and it's fine. I mean, it kind of builds a narrative also. But I am not afraid of it. See, at the end of the day, I know why I'm doing it, and I know what the content is all about. So anyway, the content is going to speak for itself, and I'm pretty clear in my ideology of things. So if they're going to raise questions, it's up to them. And at the end of the day, I'm not here to keep everybody happy. I'm here to do my job, and that's what I'm doing. I'm not here to answer anybody. I need to answer myself and my wife and my parents, and they know what I'm doing. So I think that's the end of it.
Right. And, Ashish, of course, there is your television, the movies you're doing. And, fans are always wanted to know that, we see your and Archana's picture on social media post, and we all know you're living a very pretty and exciting and a beautiful life. But tell me something, how has been the marriage with Archana, and when can we see more of her on television or any other medium for that?
I think that so she will only have to answer, and she can only answer. I can speak for her because we do not interfere in each other's decisions, and it's to her, to what she chooses to do. But I think, as far as I know of her, I think she's enjoying a creative space right now, and she's busy writing. She's writing a lot of stuff right now. She's busy writing, and she has a couple of things lined up as a producer in our own in-house production also. She has a couple of things lined up. It's just that because of this whole situation, things are little not clear, by what and when, and how we're going to take them on floors. If things would have been fine, we would have been shooting those things right now. So I think she's enjoying that right now. And apart from that, I think it's just fun. If you have a friend in your spouse, best friend in your spouse, I think it's a bliss, and that's how we are. We are each other's best friends, and it's been just fine. Yeah.
Right. And any other project which is going on, apart from the movie which we are shooting, is there anything which is going on, or is there something which is in the pipeline which you want to share?
We'll soon announce a lot of things, but like I said, there are 3 things. That's all I can say, but we'll announce it soon. And as and when times are fine, and when we also have a clear picture on them, because right now everything is just topsy-turvy. There, you cannot put a timeline to things right now. So we want to put a timeline to things and then announce it, rather than just going bragging about it. Once we have a clear picture, definitely we'll announce it soon. Yeah. But there are very, very interesting things in pipeline. Very interesting.
Right. And Ashish, as you rightly said, you're now doing television, you're now doing films, you have done a web show. But suppose if there is a good character offered to you in television, will you make, your turn to television, or is this something which you are going to away for good 2 to 3 years, as you said?
I don't know. I mean, there are two things. A, like you said, one thing is it needs to be exciting, and if it is, then I think one tick mark is there. One check. Second is the time. The issue is the time, because television consumes a lot of time, and at a stretch. So you have to commit for a whole year for a show, and then it takes away a lot of time. And I think that would be, if it's a limited series, or we can figure out a way around it. I think if you see the pattern also, since my last 2 shows, I chose to do a limited series. Even Siya Ke Ram was a limited. We knew start to finish khatam ho jayega kitne time period mein. Then Prithvi Vallabh was also limited. I started choosing it like that only since then. But I think that doesn't work better for television when it comes to the money part of it, as commercials. So if there is interesting, which is a limited show, or which doesn't consume that much of time, I think, and is exciting, definitely I'd like to do it.
Okay, so Arju, thank you so much, first of all, for wonderfully answering all the questions. And Jate, anything which you want to say to your fans, who always miss you, especially on television, but I'm sure that now you're coming with the movie, so fans are going to be excited for that. So anything which you want to say to your fans?
Nothing, just that I'm really, really indebted to your love for all these years, and I know that you guys keep asking me also these days, when I'm going back on television. But as of now, I think that plan is on hold, and we have another plan for you. So I hope that works, and that you guys keep showering love for whatever now that I bring to you. So yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Ashish. It was lovely interviewing you, and all the best for all your future projects. Thank you so much.
Thank you, dear. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Hi everyone, you're watching me on GlitzVision USA. Thank you. Bye.